Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, on the off chance that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook on account of the approach of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be bridled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz's one-of-a-kind stage furnishes clients with the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the sports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost expectation, let us check out a portion of the exceptional elements of Chiliz. Chiliz specialized investigation. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the greatest cost heightening to $0. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Notwithstanding, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 5 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chiliz has reflected gigantic development, denoting another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight revision, yet later it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a gigantic convention and contacted 75 cents in April. However, later, it remedied to the 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went until the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. Yet later, it confronted a sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 29 cents and 9 cents with a negative strain. Be that as it may, subsequent to hitting 10 cents the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and as of now, it exchanges around 11 cents. We demand you do your own examination recommending projected most extreme cost, guessed value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. Yearly Chiliz value forecast 2023 to 2030. CHZ will be the market pick and decision of gaming financial backers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this money. The pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Defeating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz crypto cost expectation, the cost of the CHZ token was 11 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ as $33,003,656 and the market cap of Chiliz was $797,893,114 with a circling supply of 6,718,673,450 CHZ. Chiliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chiliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As per our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 11 cents. Furthermore, the CHZ cost is fit for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024. CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, individually. The most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents in light of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. Chiliz value forecast 2025 as per CHZ cost expectation 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other cryptographic forms of money to obviously show up at the very least cost of 29 cents and a most extreme cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ conjecture depicts a stunning positive thinking anticipated for the CHZ cost, primarily because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026 violating all impediments north of 2026 would without a doubt give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz forecast, supported by hardy savvy gets, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents individually. Chiliz expectation 2027 the street ahead is loaded with pedals according to the CHZ cost gauge. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling point of the greatest cost of 62 cents. In examination, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents. Separately, CHZ value forecast 2028 of every 2028. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chiliz estimate 2029 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as per our CHZ coin cost forecast 2029. Chiliz value expectation 2030 in view of our CHZ cost forecast 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a possible low of 73 cents and a likely high of $1.05. The Chiliz cost variances in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unpredictable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical figure cost of 17 cents. CHZ's cost will take off since there is still positive thinking that the cash will draw in significantly more consideration. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 17 cents and a base value worth of 16 cents. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around 19 cents. According to the Chiliz conjecture information investigation, the cost of CHZ is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over 2024, Chiliz is supposed to have a base cost of 25 cents. Moreover, the CHZ cost is equipped for getting a most extreme degree of 31 cents. By 2025, the cost of Chiliz will be stretched around 12 cents. Most extreme cost 12 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the year will be around 11 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the finish of 2025 will be around 10 cents. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in view of wallet financial backer Chiliz figure. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is 1 cent. CHZ can